Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to use BitChat. Before we learn how to use it, what is BitChat? Well, BitChat is a new messaging app like WhatsApp, Messenger, or WeChat. This messaging app lets people chat safely using blockchain technology. It doesn't rely on any central server, so no one can control or spy on your messages. Each message is encrypted and stored across many computers, making it secure and private. You don't need Wi-Fi or mobile data to use this app for messaging. What you need is Bluetooth. This app is currently available on iPhone, so the iPhone users can use it, but not available on Android right now. So how it works if we have to use it with Bluetooth? This allows nearby devices like 50 to 100 meters to communicate offline. This means no company or person can control or spy on your messages. Messages are encrypted, so only the sender and receiver can read them. This makes BitChat more private and harder to hack or delete. You don't need to share personal info to use BitChat. It works like regular chat apps, but with better security. BitChat is great for people who care about privacy and freedom. It's a modern way to chat without giving up control of your data. You can also do group chat on this app, and chats will not be saved on cloud. Everything is secure and safe in this app. BitChat matters because it lets people talk even when the internet is blocked or shut down. It uses a decentralized network, so it doesn't rely on one server or government control. In countries with internet restrictions, this means people can stay connected during protests, blackouts, or emergencies. It protects free speech by keeping chats private and uncensored. Even if one part of the network goes down, the rest can still work. BitChat gives people a way to communicate safely, no matter where they are. Soon, it'll be available for everyone. Right now, it's on testing phase, so I hope this video was helpful for you. Subscribe the channel for more videos.